Everyone, Jake from MowBot here. Today I'm going to be bringing you another tips and tricks video on how you can get the best out of your robotic lawnmower this summer. MowBot are the leaders in robotic lawn mowing in New Zealand. We have over 1,000 machines in the field, but what we found is our customers buy these to save time and money, but at the end of the day, it's all about the finish. All summer we've been used to having beautiful green lawns just like this one here. In fact, this summer's been so good that it's been quite dry, but some of your lawns may have patches that look like this. Over the last week at MowBot HQ, a lot of our customers have been asking us why all of a sudden their lawns are going patchy like this. Another issue we're seeing from our customers is their mowers getting cutting system blocked just like this one. Let's see what might be causing these issues. How about we take a look at the weather forecast?
Your weather this morning is looking like another grey day. Partly cloudy for most of you with scattered rain for most and isolated showers in the north. Turning mainly fine on the east coast at a high of 27 degrees for Auckland. Gisborne still warm, 29 degrees.
So who would have thought that heat and rain can make grass grow rapidly? And this is optimal grass growing conditions for Kikuyu grass like this one. For Kikuyu, optimal grass growth is 25 mil a day.
No. Boys always exaggerate. That's only 2.5 mils.
Oh, sorry. So with heat and rain, that's over 100 mil of grass growth within 4 days for Kikuyu grass alone. So let's move on to my summer tips for your robotic lawnmowers. Number 1, keep the cutting height low. So with Kikuyu, we aim for 20 to 30 millimeters of cutting height for the grass. This is so that the lawn can be well maintained and prevent thatch buildup. Tip number 2, mow regularly. We recommend mowing your lawn every day or every second day to prevent your grass getting too long and to prevent that thick mat in the grass. Tip 3, review your mowing schedules. Review and adjust your schedules. If there's lots of rain and there's lots of heat, you want to be having a larger mow time for your mower. And tip number 4, clear your errors promptly. So this keeps your mower on track, and if you leave your machine in error mode for 4 days, that's 100 mil of growth. Tip 5, raise your cutting height after rain. Controversial, I know. This helps prevent errors when the grass is lush and damp, and during this time, growing rapidly. Tip number 6, lower the cutting height when it dries out. And as you know, it won't rain every day in the summer, we hope. So when the weather dries out, you want to get your cutting height down to that optimal height of 20 to 30 millimeters. And you can do this by chipping it down 5 millimeters at a time. Last tip, tip number 7, make sure you change your blades every 2 months. Sharp blades ensure you've got a nice even cut and a good finish, and you can order them on our website. And there's my tips and tricks. Please like and subscribe if you want to see some more, but for now, I'll see you later.